In the early phases of colonial development in America, a notable characteristic was the lack of direct control by the English government over the colonies. Most colonies, with the exception of Georgia, were established as companies of shareholders or as feudal proprietorships, stemming from charters granted by the crown. This delegation of authority meant that the king transferred his sovereignty to these stock companies and proprietors, resulting in an initial lack of centralized control from England. Despite this, the crown expected these companies to be based in England, limiting colonists' involvement in governance. However, a tradition of political liberty from England influenced the colonies, prompting them to seek self-governance. For example, the Virginia Company's charter guaranteed English liberties to the colonists, who enjoyed the rights provided by the Magna Carta and English common law. Over time, colonies like Virginia, Maryland, and Pennsylvania developed representative assemblies that allowed colonists to participate in governance. New England colonies, such as those established by the Pilgrims with the Mayflower Compact, went even further by creating self-governing institutions. Although some colonies like New York and Georgia initially lacked such provisions, strong colonial demands eventually led to more local control. The tumultuous English Civil War and subsequent events like the Glorious Revolution weakened England's ability to enforce control, further enabling colonial self-governance. Tensions between royal governors and colonial assemblies arose, particularly as assemblies asserted rights akin to those of the English Parliament, such as controlling taxes and legislation. These conflicts highlighted the growing divergence between American and English interests, laying the groundwork for the colonies' increasing desire for autonomy and self-government. This evolution, shaped by English legal traditions and the practical realities of colonial life, set the stage for the future American struggle for independence.